Today I'm replacing the right front parking lamp bulb on a 2007 Mercedes C-Class. You can see this is how it's supposed to look underneath the H7, the high beam bulb. This side's not lit up, so pretty easy to do. Just underneath here, the cover that's closest to the engine, you push in the latch on this side with your finger and unhook it like that. So right there, you just push in on this. Once that unhooks, you can, right underneath the bulb, you can see that little brown bulb holder. You pull directly out on that. You don't rotate it or anything like that. It just pushes straight in. So don't use any tools or anything like that. Just use your hand. Reach in there, pull it out, and get it so it's out like this. Then the bulb, again, pulls straight out. You don't rotate it, nothing like that. So here's the bulb. I'm gonna go get a new one now. Alright, now you take the new bulb and push it in the same way. You can kind of take a look at that socket and make sure that it's going in like it should. But that just pushes directly in. And then once that's in, you can look through the front here to help you figure out where the bulb's going, because you can't really see it very good from inside the housing. Use your other hand to kind of push it in until it lines up. Push it straight in like that. Make sure it's all the way seated, and then take your cover, put it back on, and for the bulb to work, you're going to need to cycle your ignition. It has a control module. You know, when the bulb goes open, it kills the power to it. So cycle the ignition, the bulb will turn on, and you'll be good. So, thanks.